Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to work on SmugMUG Easy Method. Start by creating an account and choosing a plan that fits your needs. Next, pick a theme and set site branding so your portfolio looks professional. Organize photos into galleries and add clear titles and keywords for discoverability. Upload in batches, check image quality, and preview on desktop and mobile to ensure everything displays correctly before sharing publicly. When uploading, organize images into meaningful galleries and use batch upload to speed the process. Add concise titles, captions, and keywords so clients and searchers find your work easily. Select appropriate size and quality settings for web delivery or print sales to balance load times with fidelity. Rename files with descriptive text before upload and use folders to mirror your project structure for easier long-term management and faster edits. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so I know to make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers smart navigation, voice control, and powerful suction to save you time between shoots. It's been a handy companion for studio floors and living spaces, and it makes cleanup almost automatic. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set up selling by enabling prints and digital downloads, then configure prices and fulfillment options to match your business model. Use watermarks selectively or apply preview sizes to protect images while showcasing them. Adjust privacy for client galleries with passwords or restricted links, and set sharing permissions for social media or embedding. Finally, review payout and tax settings, test a purchase flow, and keep templates ready for consistent client delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.